So for the combat system, I created a slime cube in the prefabs, and I just called it a slime. And I created two more for the smaller different variants of it. And when you get close to it, it kind of rolls to you and tries chasing you. And then when you get close to it, you can punch, and it breaks into two. And then these two should have health bars as well. It should be two punches. Uh, they do take damage as well, and they can hurt players. But the only problem I've been having is with the script is that getting the script to go down from this big cube into the smaller cubes, it doesn't really like it. I'm not sure why, but other than that, the combat system works. You can, if you go up to it here and it comes towards you, it hits, it does do damage, and then you punch it and it dies. If you go to the script on the player, you can see the player stats are added in. It starts with max health, has armor is a stat that I added in with the tutorial I did, but I don't use the armor stat in the calculations for stuff because it will just make things more complicated than it needs to be for this, but it could be used. Damage is set to 0 here, but in the script I set it to what I want it to be, which is 10. And then you can add weapons and stuff with the script as well, which can be done through having the two-handed sword that the character can use, and just using that. The Here you can see the vision of the script, where if the player goes into this little section here, the slime will fly towards it, or its last known position, because it does kind of roll a bit, but it's not too bad. Realistically, it is a slime. It probably shouldn't rotate, but I could lock the body for that, but I don't know how that would feel in a game environment if you sort of if it kind of floated. But I don't mind that it rotates. It still acts the same way. The slime there's a slime in this division, like I said. The script also has a stats, and it has character stats as well. This one has the enemy script, which is you just put in the references to what you want. The smallest slime, biggest slime, whatever, how many variants you want to go down, how many times it wants to, after you kill it, does it spawn again, or does it just just die, or whatever you want. You just gotta add that in here, otherwise you just leave it null, and the script works fine otherwise. If you come from this side, it should work as well. It should just spawn the slimes out. I'm not sure whether if you come over here, if it rotates towards you still. It doesn't really like that much, but it still works. The slime, the character's punch is what I did was I created another section for called to hand, so that it is roughly where when he punches, the punch animation happens. If this bit is in the box collider of the slime, then it counts as a hit. And as you can see at the bottom left, it says slime died whenever something dies in the game. I added that in the code so that a developer can see something is actually working, or and what damage it takes and stuff as well. Yeah, this system allows someone to just put it on. You just put it onto another extra separate game object, and give it again the points that it needs, and the script should just allow it to work. You may need to create prefabs of it so that the script knows what to instantiate. Otherwise, it should work fine.